What can we expect from the upcoming CPI report? A prediction for the price of Bitcoin. The next Consumer Price Index, CPI, data looms big as we discuss Bitcoin price forecasts, prompting concerns about how it might affect the cryptocurrency market. Market patterns have always been influenced by this important economic indicator, but what can we especially expect for Bitcoin in this situation? This Bitcoin price forecast will examine the possible results and how they can affect the price trajectory of Bitcoin in the near future. Focus on the US core inflation rate. According to the Consumer Price Index, CPI, US consumer prices rose 5.0% year-over-year in March 2023, to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 301.836. This fall is as expected, as the market had anticipated a larger gain of 5.2%, which would have resulted in 302.254 points. Headline inflation is currently at its lowest point since May 2021 and has been falling for 9 straight months. The fundamental cause of the price decline is the decline in energy costs. The key concern of economists, decision-makers, and investors is the US core inflation rate, which excludes volatile food and energy prices. A major departure from expectations in the core inflation rate, which is seen to be a stronger indicator of long-term pricing patterns, could potentially have an influence on financial markets, particularly those for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. How does the US CPI affect the market for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? The price of Bitcoin is significantly influenced by the US core inflation rate. A stronger US dollar is typically the result of an inflation rate that is higher than anticipated, which drives down the price of Bitcoin. In contrast, if inflation is less than anticipated, the US currency may fall, which might lead to an increase in Bitcoin prices. As a result, a lot of traders and investors keep a close eye on the CPI report's release because it has a big impact on how they decide to trade. Bitcoin cost. With $13.8 billion in trading volume over the previous 24 hours, Bitcoin is currently trading at $27,600. With a market value of $536 billion, CoinMarketCap has placed it as the top cryptocurrency. However, the substantial resistance at $27,700 is preventing Bitcoin from moving past it, which signals a pessimistic emotion may replace the bullish one as the bulls struggle to cross it. However, Bitcoin's trading range continues to be $27,250 to $27,700. The release of US inflation statistics later today may result in a breakout from this range. Bitcoin prices often decrease when the US dollar is strong, but they typically increase when the US economy is struggling, as shown by weaker US CPI numbers. Therefore, Bitcoin has a possibility to hit $28,050 and perhaps even $28,650 if it can cross the $27,700 mark. Investors would want to think about shorting Bitcoin with targets of $27,450 and $27,150 if it continues to trade below $27,700. Crossing our fingers for good news.